Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best blow-in insulation is probably one of the most effective and versatile ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency, offering a seamless blanket of thermal protection that fills every nook and cranny, unlike traditional bats or rolls. This advanced insulation method not only helps to significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs but also contributes to a quieter, more comfortable living environment by minimizing sound transmission. Whether you're renovating an older home or constructing a new one, choosing the right blow-in insulation can be a game-changer for your home's overall performance and your long-term savings, making it a smart investment for any homeowner looking to improve their property's value and comfort. Number 5. Loctite Tite Foam Gaps and Cracks Spray Foam Sealant. This spray foam sealant effectively fills, seals, and insulates gaps and cracks up to 1 inch in size. It's designed for efficient and long-lasting results in your home improvement projects. Its advanced polymer foam formula is built to withstand harsh UV rays, ensuring premium durability. You can rely on its long-lasting performance, even in challenging environments. Experience high-density foam with a uniform cell structure for superior durability and insulation. It's the perfect solution for your remodeling needs, providing a robust seal. This sealant offers superior flexibility, withstanding building and material movement without compromising its seal. It adapts to changes, maintaining its integrity over time. Enjoy strong adhesion as it bonds to a wide variety of building materials. It securely attaches to wood, concrete, brick, stone, metal, PVC, and more, providing a reliable seal. What we like. This product offers premium durability and high-density foam for long-lasting results. It expands to fill gaps effectively, making it ideal for sealing and insulating. If you are looking for a robust solution for significant gaps and cracks, this is the one for you. What people say. The insulation was easy to install and provided excellent coverage. It significantly reduced noise from outside, creating a quieter living space. The R value is impressive, offering great thermal performance and energy savings. Number 4. Red Devil 090806 Spray Foam Insulation. This spray foam is perfect for filling large holes, gaps, and cracks. It provides excellent insulation and helps prevent drafts in your home. You can use this product anywhere around your home. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Once cured, it can be easily sanded, painted, or stained. This allows for a seamless finish that matches your existing decor. The new 8 ounces can is designed to reduce waste. It's the perfect size for smaller jobs where you don't need a large can. Cleanup is simple with the use of a solvent. This ensures a clean and efficient application process. What we like. This option is perfect for smaller jobs and offers the flexibility to be sanded, painted, or stained after curing. Its smaller can size helps reduce waste. If you have minor gaps and cracks and want a finish that blends seamlessly with your existing decor, this is a great choice. What people say. The insulation was easy to install and provided excellent sound dampening. It significantly reduced our energy bills within the first month. The product expanded well to fill all the cavities, creating a tight seal. Number 3. Carhartt Men's C003 Arctic Traditional Coat. Introducing the Carhartt C003 Arctic Traditional Coat. Designed for extreme cold, it offers exceptional warmth without the bulk. Stay comfortable no matter the weather. Crafted with rugged durability in mind, this coat is made to withstand tough conditions. Its high-quality construction ensures it will be a reliable part of your gear for years to come. Experience superior comfort with its quilt lining. This feature provides an extra layer of insulation, keeping you warm and cozy even in the harshest environments. This coat combines timeless traditional styling with modern performance features. It offers a classic look that never goes out of fashion, while keeping you protected from the elements. Whether you're on the job or out in the elements, this is the perfect outerwear choice. It's designed to keep you protected and comfortable through all your demanding activities. What we like. This product provides exceptional warmth with its quilt lining and durable construction. It's designed to withstand harsh conditions. If you are looking for reliable outerwear that offers superior insulation and longevity, this traditional coat is an excellent selection. What people say. The insulation is easy to install and provides excellent soundproofing. It effectively reduced our energy bills and kept the house warmer in winter. The material is lightweight and doesn't require special tools for application. Number 2. US Energy NASATECH 2-Car Garage Door Insulation Kit. Introducing the US Energy NASATECH Garage Door Insulation Kit, designed for 2-car garages. This kit is pre-cut for easy installation and provides an R8 insulation value. Featuring an upgraded 5/16-inch foam core, it creates an essential air pocket for superior thermal performance. It comes with new, super heavy-duty double-sided foam tape for a secure fit. This kit is lightweight and simple to install, ensuring no negative impact on your garage door's operation. You'll enjoy a clean, finished look without any hassle. Keep your garage warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This insulation helps reduce your heating and cooling costs significantly throughout the year. Unlike other kits, ours boasts the thickest reflective foam core insulation on the market at 5/16-inch. Experience the difference superior thickness makes. Our insulation is made from non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, and fiberglass-free materials. It's a safe choice for your home and family. What we like. This kit provides an R8 insulation value with a thick foam core and is incredibly easy to install without affecting garage door performance. It helps save on heating and cooling costs. If you want a clean, finished look and an energy-efficient upgrade for your garage, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The insulation was easy to install and provided excellent sound dampening. It significantly improved the energy efficiency of my home, keeping it warmer in winter and cooler in summer. The product is made from recycled materials, which is a great eco-friendly feature. Number 1. US Energy Products 48x 10-foot double bubble foil insulation. Introducing a revolutionary insulation solution designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency. This product provides an exceptional thermal barrier, keeping your space comfortable year-round. Its innovative double bubble reflective foil design works to significantly reduce heat transfer. This means less energy wasted and lower utility bills for you. Achieve an R8 insulation value with this high-performance material. It effectively combats heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Designed for convenience, installation is straightforward and hassle-free. You can quickly upgrade your insulation without extensive labor. Crafted for durability, this insulation is built to last. Enjoy reliable thermal protection and energy savings for years to come. Perfect for a variety of applications, it's an ideal choice for attics, walls, and crawl spaces. Enhance the comfort and efficiency of any area. What we like. This product features a double bubble design with reflective foil to create an effective thermal barrier. It's a lightweight and versatile solution for various insulation needs. If you're seeking a cost-effective way to reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency in a flexible format, this is a smart pick. What people say. Works great at insulating and reflecting the sunlight in hot climates. I cut a piece just a bit larger than the window opening and just pressed it into place. No adhesive or anything. Just a press fit. Works great. Now the AC in that room has no trouble keeping the room at a nice cool level. This insulation is good stuff. It's very lightweight, easy to cut with regular scissors and insulates great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.